This part must be away. That one's getting ready. Yeah, this get ready. That one's ready. This was ready. And this is it's broken. This is broken. We're missing this one. Look, it's broken. I'm missing this one. We're missing that one. Yeah. That one's also needs something. I'm missing one. Yeah. And this is broken. It's not broken. Let's put engine. This one put handle. Vroom. It's broken. And we go. And we park here. And the dumper of the dump truck comes. Over here like a dump truck. This is getting a dump truck. Like a dump truck. Getting like a dump truck. Well, because it is white. Yeah. It's getting louder. A big trucks. My monster truck is also making tracks. It steps over cars like this. And we're still lower. It's not. It doesn't step on other monster trucks. They step only on cars, not steering rollers. They only step on cars. The asphalt. This one can go over the asphalt. This allows asphalt. But you think you pick with this one with the big this one. Roll all of the things out. This one can go step over Penzos. He stepped in that. He also steps over on cars. I stepped to say low sound guns. No, the step over asphalt. No, I lost the asphalt.
Quer comprar microfone? Quer comprar microfone? Thank you.